Abusuya would say we have so many pastors, powerful pastors in Ghana here in Africa. What I say, they have been doing an amazing and wondrous job. When you think of it, calm down. This is Carmen Entertainment Zone. You get to know the people changing by the end of the video. Watch the video to the end to get the full details that is included and that is in the exceptional of the room. And then you have a casa for so food beer, a brand to be a vomited python. Jesus! What when you need a free noom about bunting. This is an amazing. This is a favorite boy sticking to superstar. Right on comment on news headquarters. And then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video, like, and then maybe show your comment section. I say, so phobia or Ghana ha in the dini. A brand table free Togo, a brand table soon born in any D. Wayare. The home for no one Santa for the same Maghreb, Zanfeles, GHP, and GS Hyper. I dream Fizu would trim to say the Adrian Pure jumper. And Jumper ni say Jack. TTI. I dream money good TTI in your one. What I say. A branch in if Togo. No be pure Morgan have for miraculous happenings. So for you bomb pay a sort of man, so for you come, wash, so for you come as an another, I feel with you. Or say this year, dear, Baumia, dear. Oh, Angasa. Or say this year, dear, this miraculous happening should be done. Or say, see, it has to be that it has to be done. So for the bomb pay come on, or say, Abrantie, vomit. I command you to vomit in the name of the association. I command you to vomit. Jesus! Now, Brenton is vomiting. Well, vomit here, Brenton vomiting. Small. I Brenton vomit about a Brenton vomit python.
On the ground.
I brought you that from
yes,
power.
Come out! Come out! Jesus! Hey! Come out! Fire! La pareba saka.
Jesus!
Come out! Yes, Jesus! Come out! Yes, Lord, Jesus! Come out! Jesus! Come out! Yes, Lord! Jesus!
Out!
Jesus! Come out! Yeah!
Python. What? Python. When he said there are a lot of happenings. Obi nim timi dane abo wo kobo sunsumu eno enye physical. Reverend Obofo so timi ya wonwasemi ma obofo 90 wo ofo yi timi twe. No, we have been seeing a lot of miracles which is happening in churches. What I say? Miraculous happenings. Some are fake, some are real. But this time around, what me saw and what me see, I know it. What I say? I know it is so. I'm kind of say. It is so astonishing. Yeah, vomiting python life and colored. No, vomiting abono to ona abono twemu. Abono dwane. Opubia agere nyadoa wo in the church service. Then we need to take the dollar to some of these to capture the dollar because Baumia ya won't channel to see there's a video of me singing one of Ghana ministers. What I say, Chirimu was say the CD dollar depreciation is a spiritual problem.
Even with the depreciating CD.
CD. This is the first time CD. Who accorded what you are wearing, didn't we import? We imported this, we imported that. CD depreciation is a ritual problem. I agree with you.
So we should take the dollar to these pastors to catch the dollar and stabilize it. It is a miraculous happenings. And me not understand. Me can't understand. You feel me? Hey. Oh, me see so many wonderful, astonishing miracles, but this one passed my mind. I did decide to share with you guys. I'm going to the comment section because this one you will be that. I hope say also will be that Python. Also, we shed your funumu to the cervix. What I say to the clay, clay, to the intestines. to the intestines of the, you can say stomach. What I say? Let me watch you to the comment section. I say, miracles will never end. What I say? This pastor is in Ghana here. We should take the dollar to. This is your favorite boy, Stevie the Superstar, and then they cannot forget to leave a comment, subscribe to this amazing channel. This is all fun. High news headquarters. This is Anto for me, but fun. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, and then maybe watch it to the comment section. I say thanks for watching. See you in our next series of videos.